So basically what I'm going to do right now is to chop it up, rebuild it into Jeep Gladiator. Hopefully I'm successful. Hi YouTube, so I've almost finished my my Gladiator build. As you can see here, done all my mocking up. So basically what I gotta do now is bondo the entire body where I've extended the cab and the tray to kind of meet it close to scale. I mean, it's a JK body, but trying to still make it close to scale as an actual GL Gladiator. Tell me what you think. Appreciate it if you can subscribe, give me a like or two. You know, every bit helps. I really like how this project is coming along so far. As you can see, I've just laid it on the tires, so there's no body on it. There's no chassis under there. I've just finished mocking up the body. So the hard part, I think, has been completed. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep posting my updates. So the next step is to do some more body work. You see I have my bondo fiberglass filler. So I'm gonna bondo this up and hopefully take all those screws out and have a nice completed Jeep Gladiator. Alright, so tell me what you think. Feel free. You can call me Andre. And this is my Jeep Gladiator build. I'm gonna put this on the Vatira chassis, two-piece Vatira chassis. As of now, still have to. I'm basically building the body. What I'm doing is basically building the body, the Gladiator body, and I'll figure out how to get the chassis to fit. The hardest part is building the body. So I think. So go ahead. Appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I have a few more projects coming up. Appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to the channel. RC upgrades. Stay tuned for some updates.